Good morning. Miss Daisy says good morning to everybody. Welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. We were just hanging out in bed, having a slow morning. Took a sleeping pill last night, so I'm a bit groggy, but we gotta get up. Seize the day. I have that order to finish so that I can go to the post office in the morning, and things to do to get ready for work for this next week. So let's stop lollygagging and get out of bed. Sunday morning breakfast.
Nice. Yeah, that's it. That was pretty amazing.
You can't really tell, but right there is a great blue heron at the top of that tree. Give you perspective on how big that tree is. He was showing his wings a second ago. Of course now he's not, but that's crazy. These things are as tall as I am. And he's on the top of that tree like it's nothing. Getting ready to finish this big order. Woohoo! Got my little buddy here. And yes, my office is still a complete and utter disaster. So, I got some cleanings to do too. Okay, I'm just prepping for the week. I'm making some hard-boiled eggs. And then I am making some of my breakfast biscuits. And you just take one of these breakfast ones. I like the ones without the butter better, but this is what we had at the store. You cut that in half. You put a layer of cheese, some ham, and then another layer of cheese, and you put that in between the two slices, and then close the end, and then bake them. I'll show you what a finished one looks like here in a second. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, but I've taken one of the biscuits, cut them in half, and you go like that, put the house back together, and then you pinch it all around. And then once it's closed, this is not closed right, you put it on the baking sheet. And now they go in the oven, and you go longer than what it says because there's stuff in here. I just go until it looks golden and brown and done.
Fluffy.
And here's what they look like when they're done. Cheese does spill out, but that's just extra yumminess for you. I let them cool down, and then I wrap them in wax paper and put them in the freezer. And then when you take one out the freezer, you take it with the wax paper, just put it in the microwave for about a minute, and it's good to go. I have that with an egg and some fruit for breakfast, and it's nice and filling.
The Red Bull lights up the tyres a lot quicker than Mercedes so far this weekend.
Absolutely right. And what we've also seen from the Formula 2 races are that down into the first...
Tonight's dinner is sausage, apples, potatoes, and onions with lots of sauerkraut. Okay, so I didn't get everything I wanted to get done today, but I did get my breakfast made. I have lunches for the next 2 days other than the main, part meal. Yeah, I'll show you guys in the morning. But I didn't get my laundry folded. This is from today, and that's the stuff that was on my bed. Last night. I didn't get it folded. But what I am going to do is go through it right now and pull out my clothes for the week. It is something that I do. Makes the rest of my week easier is I pull out my work clothes. And then I put them right here, and I will show you what I pick out. Okay, so this is what I have. Just so you know, I wear pants twice. Most of them are very thick. So I have for tomorrow a pair of black thick pants with a big chunky sweater and a tank top that goes underneath, just for that extra layer. Then Tuesday I have jeans with a sweater. It's got more of like a, holes to it, so I have a t-shirt that will go underneath it. Wednesday I have a long sleeve striped shirt and these pants. Thursday I have this long sleeve shirt. It's a little sheer, so I wear a tank top underneath it, and then I will wear these black pants again. And then Friday I wear a school shirt with jeans. So that is what I'm wearing for the week, and now I'm going to take a shower, start to wind down. At the end of the night, I will read my daily devotional. I will read my Bible. I'm doing the Bible in 3 years through YouVersion, and then I'm also doing an Advent Bible study right now also, so that's fun. And then I usually will read a little bit and then watch some videos and go to sleep. So with all that, I'm usually asleep by about 10 o'clock, and then I get up at 6. So works out perfect. Everyone always gets on me because I go to bed early, but like I just start winding down. I say I go to bed at like 8, but that's just because I'm winding down and doing my like bedtime routine and need that time for myself. So, anyways, I need to edit this also and get it uploaded. So that will take a little bit of time, but I'm going to try to do that while doing stuff while I'm taking a shower. So I'm going to say good night right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.